this is Boss Chaser here, and today we're checking out the downhill destruction map made by Spencer Johnson. And also we're going to be using the Land Rover Defender made by George Pinto. Let's get into it. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, that's looking good so far. Oh, come on, can I catch up? Can I catch up? Oh no, that guy's going off to the side. That's... Oh! Woo! These cars fly. You know what we should do? We should do a police chase where I be police and we chase these guys. Oh! Oh, that's not good. That's very much not good. Alright. Alright. Now, since I'm in a police vehicle, now I can chase these guys now. In a couple rounds. One of them is going to be chasing me and another AI. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god, I'm much slower. What the? Oh my, is he gonna... Am I gonna have to dodge that? Oh no. Alright. That was actually really close. Oh, I want to go on that ramp. That seems really cool. Woo! I don't think we're flying as far. I don't think we're flying as far. Oh no, this is gonna be a lot of damage. Oh, that's not good. Oh my god. Now we're at a different jumping area called Downhill Destruction 2. It's still the exact same map. It's just a different area in the map. Now, since last time my police vehicle was really slow compared to like the off-road variants of Land Rover Defenders, so I upgraded my motor to be more powerful, and also the stock motor in this vehicle is diesel. So, we're gonna get started. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, oh, my lights are not on. There we go. Oh no. Okay, thank God there's walls. Oh. Oh no. Oh, this is... Hey, I landed. Oh, okay. Alright, never mind. Why is it stopping? Why can I not? I can't go. I can't... Oh, this didn't go as well as I thought it would. Maybe it would go better if I wasn't the police officer. Alright, now I set it up so I'm running from a cop. Me and this AI are both running. I'm not chasing him anymore. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, now I know I might not want to go on this side. Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to move. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, can we land it? Yeah, no. Okay, we're good. Oh no. No. Okay, oh, no. Okay, we're done. There we go. Okay, that's great. Oh, I went up the ramp though. Alright, I love this game. This time, I'm not gonna be the one chasing, I'm gonna be the one running. Alright, let's start it. 3, 2, 1, go. How come the cop is so slow? Okay, it's pushing me off. Okay, I'm gonna slow down. I set the jump. It made it. Okay. We're doing really well now. Not with the off-road vehicles, we were doing really bad with those. It's just the stock vehicle. I want to hit the ramp. I'm doing it. Oh my. Holy. Wow, that's a lot of air. Oh my god. Oh. I hope he can make it to the end. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Okay. Well, that didn't end well for me. Alright, we're going again, but this time I'm actually gonna try to make it to the bottom. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that siren, the light bar isn't on. Okay, I'm gonna slow down. I'm just gonna go behind. Let's see what happens. Oh, he goes off the track. I think that's what it is. Oh, okay, we're gonna have to place the AI in a different location. Alright, I'm gonna try to make it down with the stock Land Rover. Oh, no. Okay. Wait, can I? Okay, I can't even. I won't be able to drive. for this last round before we switch tracks again, I'm gonna be chasing the AIs. Alright, like I said, I'm gonna be chasing the AIs instead of running from the police. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, I'm gonna try to make it down, but I'm gonna have to hit the jump. If I don't hit the jump and I make it down, then we failed. Okay. Oh, you little... Oh my... Are you... I'm so mad right now. Are you kidding me? Are you, like, actually serious? Right here, we have 3 Land Rover Defenders with V8s inside of all of them. And we're taking it down here. Looks pretty scary, I know. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, well, I had a really bad start. Holy. Hey, they are actually keeping them in. Okay, it looks like they keep up. Why is the car... Why is it bouncing like that? So aggressively. Oh, right into it. Oh. Oh! Oh my. Oh. Oh my. Wow. Holy. Oh my god. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. See you next one. Peace.